So guys, happy Labels Day. Today I have over 6 niches to tell you about, and these niches are so guys, happy Labels Day. I've been preparing for this Labels Day for about a week now. If you can see my cursor, it has Label Day. I just thought to use that with each event. So how is your Labels Day going? Are you doing some cookout? Are you traveling to a family member's place? Let me know down in the comment section below how it's going. Mine is going well. We'll be doing some barbecue at the back of the house. So just a day to relax. So I'd like to know how your day is going. Let me know in the comment section below. So in this video, we're going to be doing 6 niches instead of the 5. I thought to add an additional one. I thought it was funny. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. White here to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, as usual, I'm gonna continue with the top 5 print-on-demand niche research of the week, episode 35, episode 36. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche of today is this funny uterus shirt. Actually, if you've been watching the news, you'll see that I think it's in the Texas state. Yes, the anti-abortion law is in effect. That meaning that women are not allowed to have abortion, which is quite bothersome because there are some events like emotional. There are some there are some cases that women need abortions, like medical abortions, in a case where the fetus get lodged in the uterus of the in the fallopian tubes of the woman, meaning that both the life of the fetus and the life of the mother are at stake. So in that case, what happens? Does that mean that the mother can get an abortion? Because if the fetus keeps on growing in the fallopian tubes, it's definitely going to die because that is not the womb. The baby is meant to be in the womb, not in the fallopian tubes. And if the woman's fallopian tubes gets burst, because obviously the people get bigger and it gets burst, that means the mother is gonna bleed internally, and bleeding internally that could lead to death. So there are cases like that that need medical attention, medical abortion. So what happens in that case? So let me know in the comment section below what you really think about this. Are you pro-abortion or anti-abortion? So that's why this shirt is trending. It says, if I wanted a government in my uterus, I would F a senator. So there are so many uterus abortion shirts that are trending right now because that's the topic that is trending. So overall trend, as you can see, overall trend is up, current trend is up. And but guys, I will be careful if you want to use if you want to get into a niche like this. Don't say anything about abortion because abortion list is linked with killing of unborn fetuses or born babies, and Amazon doesn't like anything that is linked with death of anyone, anything. So I will be careful with using the word anti-abortion because you can trigger Amazon. And in that light, I'll advise you to use keywords like this: feminist, beautiful, uterus. Yes, uterus you can use. I will be careful with abortion. Yeah, so just be careful your keywords, guys. So here are similar designs. This one is actually pinkish. 14 people have already bought it. 17.99. Oh, I didn't even say how many people bought this one. Okay, 98 people bought this one. No reviews yet. Price at 17.99. So that was it for niche number 1. Niche number 2 is linked with the abortion law. All of this is happening under Biden's watch, and together with the Kabul's explosion, many people have been dying together with the vaccinations and anti-mask law, things like that. And all of these things are happening under Biden's watch, and people who are against Biden, obviously, shirts are trending. This is one of those shirts. It says Biden the quicker effer upper. I think I spoke about this niche in the last video. Yes, it's still trending, guys. And if you take a look at the overall trend, it's up, and it's priced $15.99. Over 101 bodies, over 2 reviews. Keywords you can use: I'll be careful with this effort. Amazon's algorithm likes to sweep away words that are derogatory. So you can use the other words like Biden, Joe Biden. Joe Biden is not trademarked. Biden itself isn't trademarked. So those words you can use, and you can use other words like funny, creative design, as you can see here. So here are similar designs, and in that same niche, if, like I said last time, if a pro-Biden shirt or an anti-Biden shirt is trending, definitely a pro-Trump shirt will be trending. So this is one of those shirts, niche number 3. Don't blame me, I voted for Trump. And there's an American grunge, American flag at the background, and overall trend is up, obviously. Price 19.99, over 83 sales, 110 reviews, and keywords you can use: Patriotic, American flag, Trump, and things like that. And here are similar designs from the same brand. All of them have sold, so you can grab inspiration from this if you want to make more shirts in this niche. And still in this niche of anti-Biden or pro-Trump shirts, this one says, "I'm still a Trump girl. I make no apologies." So this one is sold at 19.99, over 90 sales and 46 reviews, and overall trend is up. As you can tell, keywords you can use like the other design: Trump, anti-Biden or pro-Trump, apologies, national, and create like that, things like that, guys. And obviously similar designs. Or this one hasn't sold, but this one has sold. This one hasn't sold. And from the same brand, I make no apologies. This one has sold less than 2 times, price 14.99. All right, moving on to the next niche is this. I think it's niche number 4. Niche number 4 is this coolest pumpkin in the patch. Is actually a Halloween design. Halloween is quickly approaching. We're already in September, and this design is just a pumpkin with glasses, sunshades, with a grunge, with the text saying "coolest pumpkin in the patch." So that's quite funny, and overall trend is up. Our current trend is up, as you can tell. Keywords you can use, obviously: pumpkin, Halloween, toddlers, Thanksgiving. I don't know why you use Thanksgiving though. Anyway, so similar designs. This one right here, and from the same brand, all of them with all the pumpkins have sunglasses, sunshades. It's quite funny. I think I like this one more. It's big and bold and fills all the space. Anyway, that's just me. Next, on to the next niche. Next niche is still in the Halloween space. I think I'll group this one as still niche number 4. Then this one is related to gaming. If you've played Miss Pac-Man or Mr. Pac-Man, either of them, you recognize this graphic. So there's a pumpkin eating the ghost, and it says this pumpkin eating ghost is a great adult, da, 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 and it's priced 16.95, over 99 sales, 530 reviews, and the BSR, as you can tell, it is up. Overall trend is up. The keywords you can use: Halloween, pumpkin, obviously like the other shirt, griefs. Long tail keywords you can use is ghost, orange pumpkin. I will be careful with jack-o'-lantern. I think that is trademarked. So similar designs, here are them from the same brand. It says pumpkin carving queen, all the ghouls love me. Yeah, this one has sold. This one has sold too. This one has sold less than 2 times. So next niche is this t-shirt. It's kind of funny. Niche number 5. It says raising my husband is exhausting. So I'm guessing this is for the wives. I wonder how exhausting a husband can be. Anyway, that's what some people think. Raising my husband is exhausting. So the next niche is this game day niche. It's actually for football fans. So football is currently going on. I mean American football, because people actually get confused, because football in other countries is actually soccer that Americans call s- soccer. So I don't. It's quite confusing, but in America we call football football, and football that other people know as football as soccer. So there's quite a difference there. So football, I'm actually talking about American football, and it's going on right now. Um, and this shirt is trending. It says game day, and with a heart, leopard heart. And let's take a look at the. It's price 17.99, over 112 sales, no reviews yet, and the BSR everything is up. Like I told you, it's currently going on right now. The football is currently going right now. And keywords you can use: football, game, leopard, heart, mom, bleached. I don't know why bleached. I would go for grunge if I were the one. And other keywords you can use. So from the same brand, obviously you have to put it on other products. I'm guessing all of them are on different types of shirt. So this one is smaller. I guess that's why no one has bought it. So I have to make our designs bigger, like this one's right here. And so the niche, the extra niche I was talking about is this one right here, the last niche of the day. It says, I might look like I'm listening to you, but in my head, I'm thinking about getting more chicken. So that was quite funny. And this is actually a gift for farmers. So I really don't know why this is trending, because it says overall trend is up. So people have been purchasing this, over 109 people. I don't know if it's something that someone said, because words that someone said is very, very fast to for people to make it into a t-shirt. So let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this shirt. Is it what someone said? Because I really don't know why this is trending. As you can tell, over 109 sales, no reviews yet. And whenever there's no time for a customer to leave reviews and you have this number of sales, that means that it's trending. So I really don't know why this is trending. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this. So the last thing I'm going to talk about is this upcoming trend. So in the UK, um, today's Labor Day, obviously, and on the 15th is the first day of Hispanic Heritage. And that's it for the .com marketplace, which is the US marketplace. So UK marketplace, um, actually September 30th. Oh no, nothing in the UK marketplace. The German marketplace, September, nothing too. I'm guessing yes, nothing too. So in the France marketplace, so guys, that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand at KDP, please, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one. With that being said, see you on the next one.